everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check all the passwords for your different applications on your Android phone if it's connected to your Google account. So just swipe on down from the top right and go to settings. Now on my Google phone, all I have to do is go to the top and I can see Google right here. Now you might have an option for it right here, but we want to go to all services and go on down. And we want to go to autofill and passwords. So we can just go to autofill with Google, password manager. Now if you have any kind of passwords for your different applications, your accounts, whatever, could be like Amazon or some other application, you can go to it and you can reveal the password. So you can just see the password in there very easily. You just have to click the little eye icon right next to the password. Now on my Samsung phone it's a little bit different. What I want to do is just go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down until I get to Google. So here's Google. Then there should be an option for autofill. And then once you click autofill, next time you come here will be password manager. And then here's all your passwords, they'll be listed in here. Otherwise you can just go to all services again. Right here, click it, password manager, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.